Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn, and I'm here in Oshawa, Ontario, Canada at the Ontario Regiment Museum. It's a tank museum. It is just packed with tanks. And I'm here with Jeremy Blowers, the Executive Director of the museum. Hey, Jeremy, thanks for having me out here.
No, not a problem, Don. Glad to have you here, checking out real military equipment.
Real tanks.
Real tanks, up close. Here we are in the Military Vehicle Conservation Center, and as you can see, you can get right up close, you can touch, you can smell, you can feel. This is where military history comes to life. And this museum, we call it a tank museum, but it's much more than tanks. We have military vehicles from jeeps, trucks, armored personnel carriers, self-propelled guns, and of course, main battle tanks. It is Canada's largest collection of military vehicles in a museum, and it's actually North America's largest collection of operational historical military.
Operational.
Yeah, we do not apologize for the smell of diesel. We do not apologize for dirt on the tracks because these vehicles actually run. They're part of our living history exhibit. And at the museum, we use these vehicles to teach military history in a way that no other museum does.
Oh, wow. And when you say they move, you don't drive them around?
Yeah, they all move. That's what we mean by the largest operational collection in North America. So everything from the Jeeps to this M4 Sherman tank, it's fully operational. It runs, it moves, the turret moves, and we also do fire demonstrations.
Oh, cool.
So that people can actually experience what it was like when the massive guns of these machines go off.
And you do that through the summer?
Yeah, during our Tank Saturday events and our big signature event, Aquino Tank Weekend.
Wow.
That's in July this year.
So I hope I can come to that.
Yeah, we're hoping as well.
Okay, super.
You'll have a unique look that we don't usually see. Being a tank museum, we see a lot from the ground. But Don, you're going to allow us to see something from a different perspective.
From above.
That's
Yeah, super. So thanks for having me out, Jeremy. I'm really itching to get around and get on top of some of these things.
Yeah, we can get inside. We can have a look up close, and of course, you're going to give us a unique view from above in the Military Vehicle Conservation Center.
Fantastic. Thanks, Jeremy.
No problem, Don.
So this has been incredible. Thank you so much, Jeremy. We're now standing inside a tank. And what kind of tank is this?
This is a Leopard main battle tank.
A Leopard main battle tank, just standing here, hanging around as you do every day. I've never been inside a tank before. This is incredible. And this whole day has been so incredible. Filming, shooting all sorts of video. This has been incredible. This is so much fun. You have no idea how fun this is. This is just your job.
For me, it's a Tuesday. But anyways, But yeah, it's great to have you here, Don. Glad you got some good footage. Look forward to seeing you out in the field for tank season this summer.
Yeah, that's going to be great. Let's go.
Driver forward. Well, there's no driver.
Oh, well.
We'll wait for the summer.
Sounds good.
Thanks,
Thanks
Don.
again.